Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best skateboard is probably one of the most exciting ways for girls aged 6 to 12 to start their skateboarding journey. Skateboarding is an empowering activity that builds confidence and develops new skills. This video will guide you through the essential considerations when selecting the perfect skateboard, ensuring a safe, fun, and fulfilling experience for young girls eager to hit the pavement and express themselves. Number 5. Skitch Skateboard, Beginner to Pro Skateboard Gift Set. Since 2017, this has been a top choice for parents. It's the lightest and easiest to carry. It even allows you to control the speed as they learn. This skateboard is perfect for all skill levels. Start in beginner mode to control the speed. Then, unlock pro mode for a smooth ride with premium bearings. This makes a great gift for any occasion. They'll love unpacking the backpack, skate tool, and video course. It's a gift they'll enjoy for years. Inspired by vintage cruisers, this skateboard is crafted with top-quality parts. You'll get the perfect balance of flex, stability, and traction. This ensures a great skating experience. This product is designed with your happiness in mind. They care about the quality and your experience. If you have any questions, they are always there to help. Enjoy and happy skating. What we like. This skateboard allows you to control the speed, making it perfect for beginners. It comes with a complete gift set, including a backpack and video course. If you're looking for a safe and comprehensive starter kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The QR code that you can leads to videos that were super helpful for a beginner. The cute backpack is a plus also. She rides it everywhere, carries the board in the bag it came with, which is good quality. Number 4. Deleven 22 LED Skateboard with Skate Tool. Want to stand out? This skateboard features LED wheels that shine brightly. It lights up the ride, adding fun for both kids and adults. No batteries are needed, so you can keep shining wherever you go. Feel the smooth control and balance with its ABEC 7 bearings and 60mm 78 pu LED wheels. This mini skateboard has carefully selected parts designed and tested for safety, turning every ride into a joyful adventure. Loved by kids and adults all over the country, this complete skateboard set is a great gift. It's a great beginner board that opens up a world of joy, excitement, and adventure. Get ready to ride. No need to assemble anything. This skateboard arrives fully assembled and includes a skate tool. You can customize it to your liking and enjoy a complete skating experience that's uniquely yours. It has everything you need to start. Guaranteed quality and guaranteed fun. We believe in the joy the skateboard brings, and we want you to feel the same. If anything falls short, we're here to make it right. With this product, you always buy with confidence. What we like. The Deleven skateboard features bright LED wheels that light up as you ride, adding a fun element. It arrives fully assembled and ready to go. If you want a board that is ready to ride right out of the box and offers a smooth, eye-catching experience, this is a great choice. What people say. My kids love these skateboards. They are 4 and 6 and this board is perfect for them to learn how to skateboard. Others are a little too stiff and difficult to turn with body weight. Very good quality. Would highly recommend for kids or adults. This skateboard is perfect for beginners and kids who want a fun and smooth ride. The build quality is solid, and the ABC 7 bearings make for a surprisingly fast and stable experience. I bought this as a Christmas present for my granddaughter. She absolutely loved it. It was the perfect size, and a first good starter board. Colors of the board was spot on. For a 9-year-old, this was just the perfect size and easy for her to maneuver. Number 3. Kqpoinw 22 Mini Cruiser Skateboard for Kids. This skateboard comes fully assembled, ready to go right out of the box. It also includes a free skateboard tool for easy adjustments. Get ready to hit the streets. This board is designed for kids and teens. It features a thick PP deck, soft PU wheels, and ABC 7 bearings for a smooth and safe ride. It's built for control and speed. The wheels light up with LED lights as you ride, no batteries needed. This feature adds fun and increases visibility at night. It's a great way to make skating even more exciting. Skating is a fun activity for kids and teens. This skateboard makes an ideal gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a gift that encourages outdoor fun. This skateboard is durable and can support riders up to 220 pounds. The company also provides professional after-sales service. If you have any questions, they will help you. What we like. This skateboard has colorful light-up wheels that add extra fun and safety. It's designed for durability and comes fully assembled. If you're looking for a board that's ready to ride immediately and provides a fun, safe experience, this is a great option. What people say. The board itself is shrink wrap and the colors are extremely vibrant and bright. Looking at the wheels, they are a cool see-through purple and they are super smooth when they roll. Actually, apparently I missed this before buying. The wheel light up when the board rolls. Pretty neat. Fun, bright colors and the wheels light up. Perfect size for my beginner and a smooth ride. Number 2. Hurtle Camo Mini Cruiser Skateboard for All. This skateboard is perfect for everyone, from beginners to experienced skaters. It's designed to handle advanced tricks like sharp turns and slides. Whether you're hitting the streets or the skate park, this board has you covered. Enjoy a smooth ride with the high-quality PU wheels and ABC 7 bearings. This design makes it ideal for commuting, skating at the park, or even on rough surfaces. You'll feel the difference with every push. Built with a durable PP deck and aluminum alloy trucks, this skateboard offers stability and can handle speeds. It can support up to 220 pounds, making it a reliable choice for riders of various sizes. The non-slip grip tape provides a secure feel for your feet, giving you better control. This feature allows for easy maneuvering and a safer ride. You'll feel confident with every move. This skateboard comes fully assembled and ready to go. It's easy to skate, carry, and store, making it a great gift. Get ready to enjoy the ride right away. What we like. This skateboard is suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to more advanced riders. It features smooth PU wheels and non-slip grip tape for a secure ride. If you have a skater in the family with varying skill levels, this board offers a versatile and safe experience. What people say. The skateboard is perfect for beginners. The design is very cute and appealing to girls. It is a great starter board for kids. Number 1. Magneto Complete Skateboard for Beginners and Teens. This board was designed by skaters, drawing inspiration from Southern California's surf culture. The simple aesthetics are inspired by natural materials. It's a board made by skaters, for skaters. This board is designed for fun and portability. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. It's perfect for cruising and riding everywhere. The double kicktails add fun and versatility. They allow for tricks like manis and ollies. The design maintains high performance with a cool surf-style look. The deck is made from premium 7-ply hard maple, making it strong and durable. It features an 80 grit grip tape to keep your feet secure while showing off the unique graphics. It features SHR urethane wheels, ABC 5 bearings, aluminum skate trucks, and urethane bushings. These components are designed for an ideal cruising experience, ensuring a smooth ride. What we like. This skateboard is designed to be super portable and easy to carry around. It features double kicktails for added versatility. If you like a board that's easy to take on the go and offers a fun, versatile ride, this is a great choice. What people say. After trying my son's Walmart Minecraft skateboard, this one feels like you're on a pro skateboard. All the materials they use are in the recommended specs and the designs are awesome. Good, and comes with a learning video, great for beginners. Excellent. My child loves this skateboard and it is a sturdy one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.